Hi guys, last night I printed this 3-ring puzzle. The idea is you've got to get the center ring off these other two that are connected with a couple of bits of string, or in this case I've used garden strimmer, sort of plasticky stuff, which actually makes it a little bit harder because it's a bit springy. But the general idea is you put a twist in it, and then if you get it right, I've forgotten how to do it already. That one up through there. Down through, oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, so that works easily enough, he says. Trying to remember how to get it back together again. But what inspired that was one that was a bit more sort of diamond shape. So I've 3D printed one of them, or at least my interpretation of one. So I need to tidy it up and then we'll join it together. And this time I'll use some string to join them together, a shorter bit of string. So I'll tidy it up and we'll come back. Right, this time I think I've gone to the other extreme and made it a bit too tight. It took me ages to get that ring on there. And because I've used super glue to stick the string in place, the string's gone stiff. So that's just added an extra dimension of awkwardness to it. So the theory is something along the lines of we give it one twist and then feed it through. This is where it's a bit of a problem because I've made it a little bit too tight. One twist. Just show you that again. So we got straight through, one twist, and then somehow or other we need to get these to go through. So I think I've made it just a little bit tight. I managed to get it on, as you can see. Come on, you've got to go. Oh dear. I wonder if one side's slightly tighter than the other. Let's try and do it the other way. I think that's what it is. I've made it just that bit too tight. No, back to where we were. I thought we were doing it then. One twist. Yes. Yeah, I think I've made it just a bit too tight. Well, it works, but because these have gone stiff, we've lost a bit of the flexibility. I don't know if you can see that. That's stiff up to there. That's stiff up to there. That one's stiff and that one's stiff. Yeah. I'll put a link to the original video because they make it look much easier. But I think I've made that a little bit too tight. Yeah, look at that. That's stiff as anything. Still, that's what the original one looked like. So we're pretty close. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.